Hi there, welcome to my diaries. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. Hi, my name is Anne. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a hairstylist based in Lagos, Nigeria. And when I say I'm a hairstylist, I mean I'm into hair making, installation, pixie cuts, wig making, wig revamp, wig coloring, wig styling, and anything that has to do with hair in general. I'm your good to go girl. Okay. So if you're new here, hi, how you doing? And if you're my whole time subscriber, hi face. So yeah, do enjoy this vlog and don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So I'll see you later. To this. Driver cooks. Hey. Hey driver. Hi, good morning. Um, I didn't really vlog this week. One, life has been pretty bad. Aside Monday, yeah, the Tuesday, Wednesday, life has been so bad. Today, but the light minute ago, I was so happy because I needed to work. Because whenever I see light now, I don't even think of vlogging. Mine is just to work and create content with it, and I don't even think of vlogging. And when there's no light, I put on the drone. I have to work ASAP because number one, the generator is a big one, so it consumes a whole lot of fuel. So I have to be fast with whatever I'm doing. So that's just been really tiring. Today I'm so tired. Yesterday I took zero for immunization and we spent so many hours there because it's a government hospital, so it took a lot of time. So they said the government informed them they have to teach mothers how to cook for toddlers and babies that are like for 6 months. And those who want to start weaning their babies and everything, so they had to teach us how to make momo without pepper, just fish, crayfish, and onions. And I was surprised that babies ate it because I was like, do they eat this kind of thing? I know Maggie as well, just salt. So yeah, I go home. I had to get up, start working, and again this morning I think I have to just go to the gym to continue working, but that'll be later. Super tired. So yeah, I had to put on the lights right after I was done creating the video. So I guess I have to go and start working again. I have to continue working because I need to deliver the job tomorrow. Though I'm almost done, but I just prefer to just work in like immediately and not work late at. I hate working late at night, and I had to yesterday because the light came on later at night, and I had to start working. But so let me just go back to work. So I'll talk to you guys later. So this is how my studio is a mess. But here's the wig I'm currently styling. I have this to style, I have another one to style, and I have a pixie cut I need to make and send out today or tomorrow. And I haven't started working though. That I'm supposed to send it tomorrow, but I want to try and send it out today, so tomorrow I can just rest or something. I don't know, but yeah, this is what I'm currently working on. Sorry, I'm not in my mic and it might not be so bright, but yeah, bear with me. These are the wigs I styled yesterday. This one, I have some visitors on my face. Some, yeah, and these as well, just due to monthly thing, but made my face looking very rough and eating or something.